Alright, so we're taking this lower half of a 18 horse Evinrude and we are putting a 4-stroke motor on it. This is from a riding lawn tractor that I found alongside the road, and it still runs good. Here's a test fit of the 14 horse on the tower. It's really turning it up. Okay, this is a 1957 tower for an 18 horse Evinrude, and he put a 4-stroke 14 horse gas engine on. We're going to take it to the lake. This is cool. Even has electric start.
Dad?
Yes, I know.
Do ya?
We're going. We're going. I just want to. I want to get. There's a couple.
You're in a hurry to get out there.
Well, you're not having ice cream, so it's not melting.
Okay. He's running. Boy, that's a nice running motor. Look at that. Good picture in the sun. That's got some power. Oh yeah. Now I would kind of angle that way a little bit. Now there's a big log over there. Just keep an eye open for it. It's running good.
Yeah.
Is that wide open? It feels strong. Feels strong. That's a nice running engine. This ought to be good here. Let me.
4-stroke.
Yeah. Yeah, he's got a 14 horse tractor motor on it. It's actually, yeah. He cast the parts himself to make it fit.
Wow.
Okay, we're on the maiden voyage. Part 2. Part 3. So we got the the big motor here. Okay, now I'm going to nail it. You ready?